Hi kids, today we are going to learn the letter C. It is uppercase C. 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 C for cat. C. C for cup. C. C for car. Now we will color the letter C with the pink color. Can you find the letter C from these alphabets? Wow! Great job! Here it is. Yes. Now, let's find the objects that start with the letter C. Look carefully. Which one starts with the letter C? It's the cat. C for cat. Which picture begins with the letter C? Cup starts with the letter C. Great. Next one. What starts with the letter C? Car starts with the letter C. Great job. Awesome. You found all the letter C word. You learned the letter C. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more alphabet fun.
Click subscribe, comment, play with KidsMV every day.